Kikakasiddwa ng'ekirwadde kya kalusu bwe kirumbye disitulikiti y'Ekitagwenda. Obulwadde buno bwazuuliddwa mu bantu 3 oluvannyuma lw'okulumbibwa ekirwadde ekitategeerekeka nga bamaze okulya ennyama y'ente eyabadde efudde.
And within a short time we received 10 patients at Intara Health Center 4 presenting with symptoms mimicking anthrax disease. And these were they had lesions on the upper limbs with other signs, with other symptoms of nausea, general body weakness.
Dr. Irene Kahimakazi akolanga atwala ebyobulamu mu disitulikiti y'Ekitagwenda atubuulidde ng'abantu abazuuliddwamu obulwadde buno bwe bava mu ggombolola y'e Buhanda ne Kabujjogera Town Council.
So we suspected those 10 patients to have anthrax. We went ahead to take off samples for investigation. We took off blood, we took off swabs from their skin lesions and sent them to Entebbe and then to Arua for confirmation.
Kati bano bali mu kujjanjabibwa mu ddwaliro ly'Intale Health Center 4 Ekitagwenda.
Within a period of 3 to 4 days, we received results that out of the 10 suspected patients to have anthrax, 3 were confirmed to have anthrax. And as we all know that when we have one confirmed case of anthrax, we declare an outbreak.
Mu kiseera kino balina okutya kubanga omuwendo gw'abantu abateeberezebwa okuba n'obulwadde buno gweyongera.
We found out that there were dead animals that had been consumed in the sub-county of Buhanda. And so when we tracked up to the home level, we found that those people were involved in slaughtering dead animals, and those who shared and ate, they are the ones who among those confirmed cases and among those suspects.
Kati bagamba nti singa embeera esajjuka bakwalirizibwa okusindika abalwadde bano mu ddwaliro ekkulu e Fort Portal.
We have involved Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital for the support and for the supervisory role.
Benjamin Tumusiime amyuka RDC w'Ekitagwenda agamba bamaze okutegeeza ab'ebyokwerinda okuteeka mu nkola roadblocks obutakkiriza kisolo kyonna kutambuzibwa.
We only allow animals that are on transit if they are getting through Kitagwenda, especially those from Uganda via Kitagwenda, Kabujjogera to Kyambura and to Kasese, where and all that. Provided they are not stopping anywhere within Kitagwenda to load or offload, that is fine. But if they are intending to stop anywhere and interact with the communities, that we shall not allow. Because the Kabujjogera, which is an exit route, is one of the affected sub-counties here.
Akubirizza abatuuze okuddukira eri abakulembeze n'ab'ebyokwerinda singa babeerawo agezaako okukusa ebisolo.
So effective yesterday, no one is allowed to move animals from one sub-county to another. No one is allowed to slaughter meat. Our butcheries here do not have meat. Our restaurants are not preparing meat for people to eat.
Omusawo w'ebisolo mu disitulikiti y'Ekitagwenda aganye okwogerako naffe ku butya bwe bagenda okweng'angamu ekizibu kino.